ZAPTEST is proud to introduce a new functionality for automating web applications. The new feature enables support for Selenium WebDrivers on all popular browsers, allowing ZAPTEST users to automate interactions with web elements at the document object model layer. In ZAPTEST, the power of WebDriver is further enhanced by the versatility of scripting modes, ease of use, and comprehensive reporting capabilities. WebDriver support is enabled out of the box, and ZAPTEST is capable of automatically obtaining required files from the Internet. Alternatively, users can manually download and reference the desired WebDriver files using ZAPTEST options, which may be necessary for older browser versions. The new WebDriver namespace provides quick and easy access to all its objects and methods. The namespace itself also serves as a reference to a web session. Multiple sessions can be used to control 2 or more browsers simultaneously. After the required initialization step, the Navigate method is used to load a web page or use browser navigation controls to move it back or forward. To locate a web element, the session object offers a selection of methods ranging from element class name to XPath. For web element operations, ZAPTEST provides both standard Selenium methods and its own methods for extended usability. Any WebDriver argument value can be replaced with a data table parameter, local or global variable. WebDriver session objects are visible across all running external scripts, supporting a complex module-based automation. WebDriver scripts may include standard ZAPTEST GUI or API object steps, enabling cross-protocol or cross-application architecture. During script execution, ZAPTEST gathers comprehensive information about WebDriver methods, including web element locators and images, with support for all standard reporting features. For more information, please visit our website at www.zaptest.com.